Welcome to today's video, guys. I've been doing some tutorials for some time now, and then thank you for those who have subscribed so far. I think I have about 40 right now. Keep up the good work, and for those watching this video, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so that you can get more of my content. So I'm about to start the series, okay, on how to create a simple game using Unity. And so for those of you who are interested in this series, this will be the first episode, but then we're not really going to dive into coding and all that stuff right now. What I'll be talking about today is why Unity game engine. I mean, there are tons of game engines out there for you to use to develop, but then for me, I'm going to be using Unity, and I'll create a simple game for those who want to follow up. But then I have to also give you a reason why you should be using Unity to develop your games. I mean, there are tons of engines out there. So next I'll be talking about the pros and cons of using Unity. So the first thing that I'll talk about would be the platform. So the build platform is really Unity supports over lots of them, lots of build platforms such as the PC and Linux, Android, Universal, Windows, and each of these, all you have to do is mainly just download the file. And you see, as you can see over here, open download page, and then you download the file, and it allows you to build it. But for here, over here, once we build, then it can you build your game and then it gets launched. So it's very easy to get games together, and then it supports different platforms. So if you build a game, you can just send it over to another environment, and Unity would easily be compatible with another PC or Mac or Linux. So it's really not that difficult. You don't require any technicality to do any of this. All you have to do is just download the necessary equipment, or should I say necessary tools for building the game. So the second advantage we look at would be the development environment for Unity. And this is what Visual Studio actually looks like. It's very flexible and easy to use. Of course, we use it for a trial period, and then which you would have to log in so you can continue using it. But then apart from that, everything else would look to be okay. Another very good alternative would be Mono Develop for those who don't like Visual Studio. And if you have any other idea in mind, or you don't like Mono Develop or Unity, you can just come over here to Edit, click on Preferences, and these external tools will appear under 2D. No, not 2D actually. It's part of these preferences, so you can select any ID you feel like by clicking here, and you can see open file extension. This is the default one I'm using, 2019, but you can browse through your computer and select the ID which you want to use. You can browse through and select the ID which you want to use. So that will be all for IDE. The third advantage which Unity has would be the debugging system. Now, Unity, or the debug console, Unity works hand in hand with Visual Studio, that's the IDE development environment, to constantly find errors which are being placed into the game. So like over here, you can see that I did not really have an error here because I didn't spell it well, and when I double click it, it takes me to Visual Studio where I can fix this error now. The console can be your best friend and at the same time your worst enemy. So Unity has done a great job with providing the console so you can easily detect bugs, and there would be no problem with that. So that's everything I have on debugging. And my final advantage for today would be documentation. like any other software or any tool that you buy from the market, Unity comes with its own documentation. So you can just browse Unity documentation. You can see over here is user manual and then offline documentation. Everything which you need to know about Unity is over here. So this is the offline documentation. If for some reason you want to download, you are free to download it. This is particularly useful for those who are great readers. So with every new version of Unity, more different documentations keep coming. So depending on what you want to know about Unity, you are free to read up about it. So that will be it for the advantages. Now that we are done with the good part, we can go into the disadvantages of using Unity game engine. The first one we would look at is graphics. Now this is a topic that has really been debated on because Unity has created a lot of quality graphics over the past years, and honestly it really just depends on what you are doing. It's not the best when it comes to graphics because it doesn't have that high graphic quality, but it's okay for designing games. Another problem with Unity is the source code. Now, what this means is Unity gives you something to work with, and then there is no way for you to actually change it. No place where you can see the code used to write Unity or any stuff like that. So there is no way for you to edit Unity in essence. What they give you is what you work with. You may not like it, but then that's how the engine is. So you have to just get used to it. If you have a problem, all you can do is lay a complaint, and then maybe they might or might not get back to you. So as you can see, there is no place to find the source code for Unity while searching everything. So our third problem would be the license cost. Now the Unity charges really high, like really high for making games using the engine. And when you're in the download page or when you're about to download Unity, this is the page you get visited with. By clicking, you're eligible to use Unity Pass now and do not make more than $100,000 in gross revenue. That's for the game you are making. So you're not allowed to make more than $100,000 from the game you are making unless you are using Unity Plus or Pro. And this is bizarre considering the fact that you don't know if you are going to make more than this amount in a game. I mean, you're just creating a game, right? So this is what it looks like. When you're downloading for student or pass now, it's free, right? So you download, and then there are real huge disadvantages of using this pass now, and this is the license cost for those paid. You pay $40 monthly, and then you are not allowed to earn more than $200,000 for the game you make, or you pay $150 and you're allowed to earn as much as possible. This is also monthly, so it's really expensive if you are considering to get into the industry, but for revenue or for income, for capital gains. If you're willing to get into the industry for capital gains, it's really a huge amount to pay. But depending on your pocket, I'm not going to dwell on that for now. And the final one is memory hogging. Now, Unity consumes a huge amount of memory for making considerably small amount of games. Unity it's not really the best if you're looking to optimize a game. It's not the best because it consumes a lot of space. There are techniques for optimization, but definitely Unity consumes a lot of space. So with that being said, that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and in our next video we are going to begin development. Here are a few games made with Unity which can maybe kind of motivate you to see how good the engine is. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more of my content. Next week we begin development. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.